Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Docker volumes on VPS using Restic easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup Docker volumes on a VPS using Restic, start by accessing your VPS. Log into your server using SSH. Make sure you have Docker installed on your VPS. Next, install Restic by running the appropriate command for your operating system. If you are using Ubuntu, you can use the following command, sudo apt-get install Restic. Once you can create a directory called Docker Backups using the command dir/Docker Backups. Next, set up your Restic repository. Choose a storage location for your repository, like an S3 bucket, local disk, or another cloud storage provider. For a local repository, initialize Restic with the command restic init repo/Docker Backups. After initializing, set a password for your repository using the environmental variable restic_password. Now, you can list your Docker volumes by running the command docker volume ls. Choose the volume you want to back up. Mount the selected Docker volume to a temporary location. Use the command docker run rmv your _volume _name /volume v/docker backups / After copying the volume, navigate to your backup directory. You will find the contents of the Docker volume there. Now, run the restic backup command. Type in restic r/docker backups backup. Restic will then scan your backup directory and backup the files. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once it's done, you can check the status of your backups with the command restic r/docker backup snapshots. To restore the backup, determine where you want to restore the files. Use the command restic r/docker backups restore latest target /path/ to /restore /location. Replace /path/ to /restore/. Review the contents to ensure everything was restored correctly. Finally, always remember to secure your Restic repository. Consider using environment variables for sensitive information and regularly test your backups. You have now successfully backed up Docker volumes on your VPS using Restic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.